Adjust the zipper and put on the front cover. Wear resistant suede leather stitching. Easily lifted individually with separate cover. Drop armrest easily without removing anything. Fit with Velcro and ensure a snug fit of seat cover. Tuck the hinges into the seat gap and place vertically in the back. Tuck the elastic belts into the gap. Take out the strap from the gap and tuck it in front of the seat. Tighten it with the connecting buckle easily and hide it. Stick the Velcro on the backside to the seat felt. Use a tool to wedge cushion and make sure it fits tightly. Also, you can remove the headrest and then install it. Install in the same manner. Custom car seat cover for Dodge Ram. Be careful not to cover the seatbelt. Put the elastic band around the headrest and secure it with the snap fastener. Pull the elastic band back and secure it to cover the sides. Install in the same manner. Make sure to insert the plastic buckle, base, into the elastic band, backrest, before tucking it into the seat gap. Tuck the elastic band underneath and fix the bottom Velcro. Please adjust the surface of the 40% seat cover to the appropriate position before securing it in place. Hassle-free cup holder access. Refresh the look. Protect the interior.